How to fix Snapchat SS06 support code problem. So if you're facing a problem of Snapchat SS06 device ban problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Play Store or your App Store. Once you're here, you just need to simply go with the search, which is on the bottom right, and search for Snapchat. And once you search for Snapchat, here you might have any updates. So if you have any updates, you just need to simply go with the update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the settings option. Open up your settings and scroll down, and here you need to go with apps section. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps, and you need to choose the Snapchat application. Once you tap on Snapchat, now go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now even after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply choose a VPN. So turn on your VPN. Once you turn on your VPN, or once you've connected to a VPN service, you just need to simply go with your Snapchat account or Snapchat application and try to use your Snapchat application or try to log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Snapchat SS06 support code problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.